see.
Ma.
Want.
Well, he's got a 2012 new.
Want. Can you let Mommy have it?
I dropped the phone. What the hell is that?
Can you let Mommy have it? Thank you. Here you go. You want it back?
Yeah.
You want it back?
No.
Uh-oh. You're welcome.
What, that email? I got mine.
No, we can't go outside.
No.
Is that your wand?
Ma.
Ooh, it's glowing in the dark.
Da.
Dark?
What?
Apple.
No, we can't go outside.
Da.
Dark?
Da.
Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're such a good girl. What? Can you say night-night?
No, no.
Night-night.